You know, I have found that it's never worth just nibbling around the edges. Just tear everything out. Probably should have been torn down. They hadn't tied it together, like the roof was just like gravity was holding it here. Thankfully, we caught it, and now's the time to tear it out. That's tree bark on one of the ceiling joists. The market conditions right now, you get a burger with fries, you're sitting in the parking lot in your car, you toss a French fry out the window, and then all of a sudden, like as if out of nowhere, like 20 seagulls come like pouncing down and tearing each other apart. And like if this pen here was a French fry, or you know, in the analogy of the French fry, if this pen here was a below wholesale market deal right now, and I toss it out there, wouldn't you guys be like climbing over each other and pouncing on that? Because that's how both the wholesale and the retail market is right now. Look at that wood! I could see why a lot of people want to get into new construction. It's a whole lot cleaner, okay? You're not crawling in crawl spaces. You know, you're not fixing rotten joists and beams under, you know, scaby old houses. Another investment property. Another resident in need of eviction. The mysteries are largely under your feet. The permitting process with new construction would make flipping a house look like a freaking day at the beach. Prior to the online portal, I'd personally go to the county office and I'd bring my dog. And I'm telling you, the dog was the secret weapon, right? We had this beautiful Australian shepherd named Emily, and everybody loved Emily. She was an angel. So I'd bring the dog, and it's as if like they'd unclip the velvet rope, like, come on, bring Emily, you know? And Emily would like go desk to desk, you know, and all the girls would give her snacks, and we kind of built a relationship and a rapport with the people involved in permitting that you could visit face to face. And we just bought another house today. The soils must perk for a septic system. It's called a perk test because the old way they used to do it is they'd like dig a hole, pour water in it, and how quickly the water dropped is percolating, and if it dropped quickly enough, it was good. That is just adorable. The only thing you can do with a piece of land that doesn't perk is grow pot, and that's not even legal. You might think there's sewer there. You might assume there's sewer there. You'd think sewer runs throughout every block of the city like a labyrinth. You're wrong. He all but like rolls his eyes when he sees me coming, like, oh my God, what are you dragging through the door now? Because typically what we're acquiring has hair and warts all over it at this point. There's not much left in New Hanover County for lots that are available, let alone buildable. So typically when I'm going to my buddy at the engineering department, he's like, oh my God, you again. There's always some sort of problem. This is our latest Midtown cottage, Wilmington, North Carolina. And the flag goes up.